On this episode of Day in the Life of D&D, we're taking you along with us as we travel from Calgary to LA.
That's right, we're going to take you in the airport with us. We're going to show you how simply we travel, along with our business in a bag. We're also going to show you healthy snacks and how we live a healthy lifestyle on a regular basis.
We're also going to show you when we arrive at our place how we just continue living our healthy lifestyle. A lot of people say, have a fun vacation, but to us, it's just living our healthy lifestyle in a different location.
That's right, when we got in, we went to a yoga class the same evening. We also woke up and did a morning run and worked out later in the day as well, which is important to us to stay fit and active no matter where we are.
So stay tuned, keep watching to see all of that.
Everybody thinks that we're kind of crazy for packing this light.
We pack super light and we do get some strange looks sometimes. You're not checking any bags, or that's it? How do you do that?
So we wanted to show you what we have when we travel, because we travel really light. We never check bags. We only take carry-on. And this is pretty much, well, this is all we have, what you see right here.
This is what we take. So this is our office in a bag. So it has everything we need to run our business in this one bag. In this bag here, we bring one backpack other than our office in the bag to put some books and some personal items in. And then the suitcase, we share the carry-on suitcase of clothes. So each of us brings a couple of pieces of clothing and then what we need for our toiletries, and that's it.
That's it. And then we have a food bag. So snacks are very important, so we lug around a food bag so we have something so you can stay hydrated. That's important, so we can stay healthy with snacks. We all know how much airport food costs and how it tastes. So we bring our own foods when we travel, and this is what we got.
So this is all we bring with us.
So we are at the Calgary airport, and we are headed to Los Angeles.
Woo-hoo! California, here we come.
So we want to do this quick clip at the airport to show you how excited we are, and to let you know how Dorothy behaves every time before a flight.
Drew always says that when we go through customs and security. He always says, "You act like it's your first time."
Every time Dorothy gets like a little antsy, and then she gets like super excited, then she gets disappointed because it's not going fast enough. So I thought it was funny because we fly all the time, and I'm like, don't you know it takes forever?
Don't you get any better at this?
You have to you go from one line to another. They have to check your bags, they have to check your pockets. So I'm like, just put your patience pants on.
And then you get to your gate and you wait some more.
And when you get there, you have to jump in a cab or an Uber, whatever you're taking, and then it takes some time to get there too. So I'm like, it's a long trip. Regardless of, it's only 2.5 hours. So.
But I just get so excited.
Anyways, so we are traveling to LA, and we'll keep you updated.
We wanted to show you guys our airport food. We always travel with our own food because it's so challenging, especially at the airport, to find healthy food on the go. So let's take a peek inside our bag here and see what we got. We actually had yogurt parfaits on the go in the car as we were driving here. You can see that's empty now. So we ate those up in the car for our breakfast. And we have all of these munchies here. We have veggies. These carrots are actually from our garden. Yum. So we have
What else do we have? Veggies? What's in the veggies? Celery?
Okay. I went a little fast there for Drew's liking. So we have peppers, carrots, and celery.
Nice.
Is that slow enough, Drew?
Carry on.
We also have some honey bars. So these are our favorite store-bought granola bars, I suppose you say. Our favorite is Complete Truth protein granola bars, of course. But these store-bought ones are great because there's only a few simple ingredients in them. And then the last thing we have made is some egg wraps. So there's eggs in there and a bunch of different veggies, cucumbers, peppers, spinach, lettuce, arugula. And that is what we will eat today while we're traveling through the airport to Los Angeles. This just feels so funny.
Dorothy, what are you doing?
I'm pedaling. This thing is so cool, you guys. So you pedal, and the faster you pedal, the more power you get to charge your phone. So if you just pedal a little bit, just a sec here, if you just pedal a little bit, you don't get as much charge. But if you go so fast, you get a full charge. Oh, gotta stay on the pedals though.
Alright, so I'm super excited to show you business in a bag. So allow me to nerd out here just a little bit. I'm going to show you how we run our business basically from this bag right here. And then also I suppose the camera that you're watching this on, but that'd be a bit difficult. So I'm going to run through this quick. The top area here has our cords and stuff in it. I'm just going to pull them all out. We got tons of video, so much content. We need external hard drives. This one here, we have so many little things that go in. We need more than 2 USB ports, so that's a must. Then we have another external hard drive. That's right, that's a big one. And then this one hooks up our DSLR to our computer for our live videos. That one's important as well for the quality. Now, this little pouch here has headphones. This is more important for when I'm doing interviews for exploring mind and body. It's always important to have backups as well. This one's a Bose, super high quality. The other two are just basic ones and backups as well. Then we're getting into the meat and potatoes here. This one here I don't use too much. This actually carries extra extra cards for your camera. You always have to have extra cards in case you run out because we film a lot. Now we're getting into it here. So this here is where the special stuff happens. So this is a GoPro. We use this for a number of different things, more for action shots or workouts. You can see this is actually for water as well. So that's waterproof. That's our GoPro. And then here's just a different back for that so you can hear more volume. I've got a super cool lens. This goes so close. It's amazing actually. Love this big guy. We don't do videos on this one. This is more for pictures, long distance. This one's a pretty good quality. This is a Manfrotto, and it's just a little tripod. So sometimes we put this camera on here. So this camera, this is our HD 1080p Logitech. That's a high quality webcam. So sometimes this will screw on so we can get different angles for our live videos. We do really well with cooking with Dorothy because this will zoom in. But this one here, you can see it's a USB. That one plugs in right to the computer. So that's an awesome little camera. And we have my charger here. That's got to go. That's a must because especially when you're doing live videos, it goes by really quick, or the power drains really quickly, so that has to be plugged in. Only a few more things in here. Then we have a charger, so always have to have a charged backup charger. This actually came in handy today because our live video almost went 2 hours, if you could imagine. So these last about an hour and 15 minutes, so you need to have 2 fully charged all the time. See all the cords I got going on here? This is kind of how we roll. And then the only thing I have left here is this Rode mic. This is a new one. This is the best USB mic that you can find. I use this one to record Exploring Mind and Body, which is, as many of you know, nationally syndicated radio program. So this is my new Rode mic. I love it. It's so clear.
Is the tag still on it, Drew?
No, that's not the tag.
Oh!
That just covers the bottom.
Oh, okay. Because sometimes Drew has trouble unpacking things and taking tags off.
Yeah, I like to have tags on sometimes. And that's pretty much, I guess I got to show you the back here. And the back, this zips open here. This carries some of our paperwork, marketing strategy, as you can see, always grinding. That's how we roll. And then this is our beautiful Mac. So that fits in the back there, perfect. And that's it. That's how we travel. That's how we have business in a bag. That's how we can travel and work and keep running our business.